Okay, so I just learned about this library called simdjson that can parse JSON at incredible speeds, like over 4 times faster than the usual parsers.
Wait, seriously? That's wild. What's their secret? Are they using some advanced algorithms or something?
Exactly, they leverage SIMD instructions to process data in parallel. It's all about taking advantage of modern CPU architectures.
That's super interesting. So, it's like they're using muscle memory for the processor to speed things up.
Right? It's almost like how our brains can multitask more effectively when we have routines in place. Less thinking, more doing.
I love that analogy. But how do they handle all the potential pitfalls that come with such speed?
Great question. They ensure full JSON and UTF-8 validation, so you get speed without compromising accuracy.
That's reassuring. But I wonder, how does it compare with something more traditional like rapid JSON?
So simdjson uses about 3/4 fewer instructions than rapid JSON, but still manages to parse millions of documents on a single core.
Wow, that sounds impressive. But does that mean the simdjson is only beneficial for big operations? What about smaller files?
Actually, it performs well on both tiny and larger files. They've tested it with files as small as 300 bytes.
That's unexpected. Does it still maintain that level of accuracy? I would think going fast might lead to mistakes.
Surprisingly, no compromises there. They ensure lossless parsing so your data integrity is intact.
That's really a double win then. But how easy is it to integrate simdjson into existing projects?
It's quite user-friendly. You just need a single H and CPP file to get started. No complex setups.
Really? That's awesome. What about the performance metrics? Are they public?
Yeah, they've published performance comparisons showing simdjson as the fastest fully validating parser out there.
This makes me think, are there real-world applications? Who's actually using this technology?
You'll find big names like Google and Shopify using it. They need that speed for handling massive amounts of data.
That's a solid endorsement. But I wonder, could there be situations where this approach isn't ideal?
Definitely, if you're dealing with very small datasets or special formatting, simpler solutions might suffice.
That makes sense. But also, could the complexity of high-speed parsing add new bugs or issues?
It's possible higher complexity might lead to unexpected behavior, especially if not properly tested.
Right, that's a good point. It's like speeding in a car, great until something goes wrong.
Exactly, but as long as users are aware of the limitations and do thorough testing, they should be fine.
It's fascinating to see how this technology evolves. But is it being actively developed?
Yes, they're continuously working on it and even have academic papers discussing its design and performance.
Peer-reviewed research. Impressive. But do you think these advancements could be replicated in other languages?
Good question. They've actually ported simdjson to languages like Python and Rust, which is great for wider adoption.
I see. So, the speed benefits could potentially spread across different ecosystems.
Exactly, and it's encouraging for developers who might be working in those languages to use high-performance parsing.
This whole conversation highlights how innovation can shift the way we handle data. It's a game changer.
For sure, but it leaves us pondering, how far can we push the limits of what's possible with parsing technology?
Now that's a question worth exploring. Maybe next time we should dive into what the future of data processing might look like.
Absolutely, let's keep pushing those boundaries and see where it leads us.